Hi everybody, it's Stephanie here and I've got your Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse bow template. So I'll show you how to make this. Pretty simple. You're going to cut out all your pieces. I've got some glitter craft foam. I'm sorry, no, this is glitter canvas. Okay, and then I'm going to match up the things and make my little bow. Alright. This is going to have a double bow to it. And I actually have the same bow template for both Mickey and Minnie. Just don't add the dots if you're making Mickey, or switch out this little bow for a yellow bow to kind of match his pants. So that would be super cute. Alright, so again, this is glitter canvas and I am just making my bow pieces. And then I'm going to glue these on top of each other. Okay, center those out, get rid of all your little glue strings. Alright, and then I'm going to put in, and actually, so if you're making Mickey, you'd probably want to use the red. If you're making Minnie, I have a piece that kind of looks like a big dot. So I'm going to use the dot because I'm going to make Minnie Mouse right now. But again, the same process if you're making Minnie, it's the same template. You just want to duplicate it and then change out the colors. So if you want to make them both at the same time. Okay, fold that down. Add a little bit more glue. I suggest putting the dots on first before you add in the ears. Just it's easier to work with. So I'm just going to kind of put 1, 2, 3. And I think I've given you more dots than you need, but that is up to you how many you want to put on there. We'll do a couple over here, same concept. Cute little dots. Alright, and then I don't want them to look too matchy-matchy, so maybe I'll add one up here. One down here. Just to kind of give them a randomized pattern, but I still want it to look a little equal. Alright, so I'll add one up here. And one down here. Get rid of all my crazy little glue strings. Okay, you always want to go over it at the end and, you know, clear up any glue strings or whatever else you got on there just to make it look nice. Okay, so there is my Minnie Mouse bow. Now for the ears, you're just going to kind of put them behind. Alright, just like that. Okay, so that's about, I don't know, probably more than halfway down that I'm going to do here. So I'm going to add some glue to the back here. And then one side is a little bit glittery, so I'm going to add that in, like right there. I'm leaving some space in the center, just so you can tell that they're ears. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. Glue it up. Okay, make sure I got my glitter side to the front, and then try to kind of match those up on the edge there. And then there is my Minnie Mouse inspired bow. Then with my clip, I can add it to the bottom here and kind of, if I wanted it upright and kind of clipped on top of my head, or just clip it to the back. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just clip this one to the back. This looks cute on a bun. If you make a little bun in your hair and then stick this in front of it, it looks really cute. It's kind of like wearing ears without having to deal with a headband the whole time, so that's kind of nice. Alright, and so I've got a couple dots left over. You could add them to the second bow, or, you know, just save them for another project. But that is my Minnie Mouse inspired bow. And then it's the same template for Mickey, so duplicate it, make this bow, the small bow piece, yellow, and then cut out a different center, so cut out a red center or a yellow center, and then glue on the ears just like you did, and you'll have a cute little set. Alright, so thanks for checking it out, and happy crafting!